This is the story about the cave bomb. We're going to uploading now. This one, listen it, read it to understand. Upbringing the attention of parents, people's gathering indicating the importance the events, but is it enough to gauge the standard or the quality people should join to showcase it people's attraction? Some people designated these events with colorful embellishment, which is probably wastage of money and the valued time as well. We did enjoy certain events in life, and some of them did fix in memories for whole the life, but numerous of them did become thinking spot for our everyone and demanding them the scene being seen in that. The program being arranged by the social players in my past life was to identify the issues and to be adapted strategies to bridge these gaps, and also injected the information to enhance the capacity and reveal the facts to touch their meaning X. Obviously, we ignored the appealing commitment. This time, I have decided to come up with the facts to appeal the masses to be advocated the effect corrective, curative, preventive masses with our training condition. The people loving to money, but the plus money is going to garbage. I arrange the child protection activity, run the colorful videos to attract the kids for session to learn daily living skills to make a customized these connect children and communities. I have studied different categories of kids during my special life social services, met to the beggars, disabled kids, orphans, street children, the disabled, and also the beggars, burgers kids, as well as the kids having their own problems. Some of them are compelled to do some move. Listen that. Stop just a while and listen it. Kindly, if you need to see this type of videos, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. Strike. Okay, bye. Allah Hafiz.